Valentine's Day can be difficult for singles, as the pressure to be in a relationship and the constant reminders of romance can make it feel lonely or even cruel. However, it is possible to be happy as a single on Valentine's Day. It helps to remember that many other people are also single and experiencing similar feelings. Additionally, it is important to focus on the benefits of being single and not get caught up in the societal pressure to be in a relationship. Instead of feeling down, celebrate your strengths and achievements as an individual. It is also important to resist the urge to rush into a relationship and to enjoy the single life while it lasts. Treat yourself on Valentine's Day and do something special that brings you joy. Ultimately, it is important to be happy within yourself, regardless of your relationship status, and not rely on someone else for your happiness or self-worth.